Hey everyone, welcome back to the Chopper Fit channel. My name is Brett and we make the motorcycle videos and the motorcycle vlogs here on this YouTube channel. Today we are celebrating 750 subscribers to have clicked that subscribe button. Some of them have hit the ringy bell, but that's okay. As long as you hit that subscribe button, that means the world to me. Let's go and roll the intro, then we'll get into the 750 subscriber giveaway. Roll it. All right, that is correct, everybody. Thank you so much for the support. It does mean the world to me. When I started this channel a year and a half ago, I never thought I'd even get to this point, let alone 500, 300, even 100 really. About this time last year, I was sitting right around only 100 subscribers, and now here we are at 750. The goal is to get to 1,000 before year's end, so I'm still going to need everybody's help to support the channel, talk about me if you want to, but again, I really do appreciate everyone who comes by the channel. So for the 750 subscriber giveaway, I actually have two prizes to give away. A first place prize and a second place prize. The second place prize is, gonna pimp you out in some Chopper Fit swag. I got t-shirts available, sweatshirts, long sleeve tees, coffee cups, whatever you want, you get it. That's going to be for our second place winner for this giveaway. The first place winner is getting something that I am very excited to give away. Now, it's not something of actual material value right now, but you can make it into a material with a $100 gift card to Cycle Gear. That's right, I will send you a $100 certificate to Cycle Gear if you are the winner. You could use it to buy anything: gloves, helmets, jackets, liners, parts for your bike. The list is endless. I thought this was the best way to give back to the community, so you can buy what you want. The Lowrider Industries LED lights worked out really good, but it was really tied to Harley Davidson. This is something everyone can enjoy. And let's not forget that second place winner, Chopper Fit swag, yeah. So what we'll do is, like always, all you have to do is be a subscriber and comment on this video. The contest will be open for about 2 weeks. So 2 weeks from the posting of this video is when I will close the drawing. So get to it, subscribe, comment down below, and you can be holding a $100 e-certificate to Cycle Gear within about 2 weeks. I want to thank you guys again so much for everything you've done for me, all the support that has been shown towards me in the channel this year. I just want to thank you guys so very much. So with that being said though, I'll go ahead and sign it off here. Again, my name is Brett. This is the Chopper Fit channel, and I will catch you on the next dark side, as this is the way. Chopper Fit, seeing you guys later.